Welcome to official YouTube channel of Deepak KM Hospital, Vidyadhanagar, Jaipur. Cerebral palsy. The cerebral palsy, sometimes called Little's disease, is a broad medical term which covers a range of conditions, all resulting in some form of paralysis in early infancy because of imperfect development of or damage to the nerve centers in the brain. The term cerebral palsy serves useful purposes, although the term encompasses many different conditions that include some specific criteria. The pathology is in the brain. There is a motor disorder. The disorder is not progressive and the etiologic insult occurred before birth, in the perinatal period, or during the first few years of life. So, definition: cerebral palsy refers to a group of conditions which share the features of a central motor deficit which is non progressive pathologically and which is acquired in early life. Etiology: cerebral palsy can be caused by anomalies resulting from abnormal implantation of the ovum or fetus, maternal diseases, threatened miscarriage, external toxins, or metabolic disorders. The single most frequent factor associated with CP is birth weight below 2500 grams, which may occur in premature delivery, small for gestational age infants, or multiple births. All complications of childbirth, including abruptio placenta, prolapsed umbilical cord, and complicated breech deliveries, the predisposed to hypoxia or intracranial bleeding in the neonate. The infection and trauma are the chief causes of CP in the postnatal period. Pathology: because CP is not a single clinical entity and because many etiologic factors may cause these syndromes or contribute to them, there is no single pathology. The findings depend primarily germinal layer and intraventricular hemorrhage or periventricular leukomalacia in preterm infant and ischemic brain damage in the birth asphyxiated child. Classification: there are three major types of the CP: spastic, dyskinetic, and ataxic. The combination of two or rarely three types may occur. So, the first one is the spastic. So, we can classify like that: hemiparesis, tetraparesis, diparesis, paraparesis, monoparesis, and triparesis. The another one is dyskinetic. Again, we can classify in the two form: athetosis and dyskinesis. Next one is ataxic and maybe sometimes mixed codes. By definition, CP is not progressive, although the clinical manifestations may change. The untreated spastic child may develop fixed deformities due to non uses of muscles and joints. Some walking child become non-ambulatory if they gain too much weight because the energy required for walking becomes prohibitive. The diagnosis: These children, usually younger between 5 and 14, and they present specifically for evaluation of their movements. The movements are usually precipitated by startle or movement and often are not preceded by a secondary aura. Prevalence. Most survey give a prevalence of cerebral palsy in order of 2 per thousand. So watch your baby for these signs. If you find you can find like that. If you find any of the problem, then you may contact an expert. At the age of 3 months, unable to lift head, stiff legs. At the age of 6 months, unable to lift head, rounded back, stiff arms, stiff legs, stiff and crossed legs, arms held back. At the age of 8 months, poor use of arms for play, stiff legs, pointed toes, will not take weight on legs. At the age of the 12 months, difficulty getting to stand, cannot crawl on hands and knees, uses only one side a body to move. At the age of the 15 months, walks on toes and one side of the body, holds arms stiffy and bent, excessive tiptoeing while walking, sits with weight to one side, one leg may be stiff, uses predominantly one hand for play. So thank you very much for watching our video. Please share, subscribe and like. And if you have any queries, you can write to us at depktak@rediffmail.com. Thanks.